So we're going to replace the shower head. We're going to have to remove the old shower head first. So you may need tools to do this, or if you're able to tight, you might be able to do it with hand tight. Remove the old shower head. You can do this with a wrench as well. Just be careful not to, especially when you're installing a new one, don't scratch this up too much. So a strap wrench would be very nice. We're going to remove the old Teflon tape. Putting Teflon tape on. Need like one or two. Putting this new Teflon tape on. You really only have to go over one or two layers of Teflon tape, and it should be sufficient. So now we just need to cut this open, get the pieces out. Make sure you have those little black gaskets in all the connections. If you're missing a gasket, it will leak. What we're going to do is we're just going to screw this on. Remember, these are all plastic, so you don't want to go too hard. You just want to go as tight as you need to with preventing it from leaking. So hand tight for me is really sufficient. If you need to, I would suggest using like a strap wrench or something with a little bit of a rubber grip or something on it. If you use metal against plastic, you might break the plastic, or at the very least scratch it. So now that that's on, you want to remove these little retaining pieces of paper. Make sure again you have the gaskets, and on this one it tells you attach this end to the shower head. So, take out the retaining cardboard here. Again, make sure you have the gasket. So now this says attach end to shower head. So again, make sure you have that gasket in there. We're going to attach this by screwing it onto the shower head. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to test this. I'm just going to spray it back towards the wall. Okay. And let's see if this works. Cool. Looks like it's good. I don't see any leaks. We got a couple of different settings. It seems to all be fine. Alright. That's how you install a shower head. The added benefit, especially if you're a bit taller, it does give you another about 6 inches or so of height, so you don't have to bend your neck underneath to take a shower. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you find this useful and you want to see similar videos.